There she is. She's good, remember? Why isn't my ice cream here yet? Don't you look at me! Here. Thank you. What do you want? We need to ask you oh my gosh, my face is itchy. White smudge! You're a Brady! I knew we shouldn't have let them get more black shop. Save her! I mean, them! Who said you could sit? Hey! Hey! Put them in the dungeon! They're in the dungeon. Don't you look at me! Avoid touching